here I have HUAWEI Nova 11 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by tapping on it, recording starts immediately after you tap agree. Okay, so here you have like some kind of basic tutorial, and after that recording starts immediately. So as you can see, here you can switch microphone, here you can switch screen touches, like when you have it enabled, this kind of like ball will follow my finger, and when you disable it, there is no ball. So when you're done recording, tap on this middle button, and after that recording will be saved to the gallery, to the album called videos and screenshots. It will be in both of these albums. And from here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your recording, or perform other actions from this list. So let's play it a bit for you. Recording starts immediately, so as you can see, here you can switch. Okay, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.